In this question we need to integrate the products of two functions. So let's say function fx equals to first function x equals to first function fx and ex equals to second function, let's say gx. So our integration, which is x e power x dx, can be found out by using the by parts methods. In by parts method, integration of fx dot gx dx will be equals to fx integration of gx dx minus integration of f dash x dot integration of gx dx dot dx. So if I use the formula of by parts here, I'll get here I assume that the first function fx is x and the second function gx is e power x. So I'll get fx x integration of ex dx minus integration of f dash x. F dash x, I can write f dash x as d by dx of x, so I'll get 1. So 1 dot integration gx dx will be integration of e power x dx and dx. So from here, integration of ex dx, I know that its value is e power x minus integration 1 into e power x, so e power x dx. So I'll get x e power x minus e power x. So this will be our answer, and since it is indefinite integration, so plus c integration constant. So this will be our answer.